guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about encoding in Stata. And the first step obvious is to have your data in Stata. And the good bit about Stata is that if you don't have any data for practicing, you can always find the examples of data sets that are available in Stata. So for me, I'm going to use the data that I have, not the example data from the Stata. So already my data is in Stata, so it's about now me going to execute the command. So for you to encode, you go to, so encoding is applicable, for example, in the previous video that I talked about importing data into Stata, there were variables that you could not summarize because they were string variable. So we want to change those string variable into numeric. So you go to data, and then you go to create, and then you come to other variables, transform commands, and then you encode. And then the source of data, we are going to start with education, and then the new name, we are going to call it education encoded. And then you click submit. So your education has been encoded. So for you to know what has happened to your data, you go to data editor, and then you scroll to the last one. So this has turned to be blue because it has been encoded into not into numeric automatically by Stata. So let's do the summary. So we are going to use this education which has been encoded, and then this is the output. So we have 20 observation, we have the mean, we have standard deviation, mean, and maximum. So we can also encode this training attended, savings, and the others which were string variables. So you see county, training, savings, and loans. So we can encode them also. So you go to create other variables, and then you go encode. So instead of education, we are going to have county. Then here we are going to change to be county encoded, and then we submit. So we can execute the command summarize, and then you have this encode county, and then you can have this. So for you to perform any commands in Stata, most you need to have them in string variables, and if you have a data which is not in as numeric, sorry, you must have them to be in numeric, and if you have a data which is not in numeric, you need to encode. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned so that you can learn more.